Hello YouTube, this is the unboxing video of the DaVinci Resolve Keyboard. It's the editor keyboard. There are two versions, the speed keyboard and the editor keyboard, and we go to unbox it now. This is the keyboard. As you see, there is also some cable inside of it. I think this is the USB-C cable. It's an USB-C cable. You can put it behind. There is some booklets in it, some books. We got the software for free with the keyboard. This is the keyboard behind, so you can put the USB-C cable inside of it, and then we have two USB-A outputs on it, and you can make it bigger and higher. The keyboard. It's from metal. It's good quality. I heard. This is yeah, it's good quality. I will show you the keys. These are all the keys. This is for editing videos very more faster than with the mouse. Yeah, you if you buy the keyboard, you get the free software with it. So I believe it's inside of this book. So we go to open it later, and then yeah, some books. Blackmagic. It's a sticker. This is a sticker. I like that. I definitely go to use that. And then this is some small book. I'm not sure what this is. Welcome, getting started. Thank you for buying the product. Download the instruction manual. So it's very obvious how it works. We go to connect the keyboard later, and you can see the movie on our YouTube channel. So I hope you enjoyed the unboxing video, and I see you later. Bye.